Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find some helpful articles in the Temu application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the U button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the customer support button. And as you can see at the help articles section, you will be able to find the different topics with related articles. So for example, if you're interested in shipping and delivery, and within that shipping, then you will be able to find some articles regarding shipping. So just click on one of the questions and then you will be able to find a detailed answer, as well as some contacts to further provide some help. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.